Drilling a hole in a wall can seem daunting, yet it's much simpler than you think. With the right tools and precautions, you can ace this task like a pro. Begin by examining your wall material. Knowing whether it's drywall, wood, or masonry is crucial for selecting the appropriate drill bit. If your wall is made of a hard material, such as brick, block, concrete, or stone, choose a masonry bit. These bits are composed of soft steel with a tip made of tungsten carbide, which allows them to cut easily through hard walls. Tip: if the wall has a covering of paint or plaster, use a metal or drywall bit to start the hole. Switch to the masonry bit once you get through this initial layer. Always be cautious of hidden electrical wires when choosing your drill spot. Avoid drilling directly above outlets or light switches to prevent accidents. Using a stud finder can save you from unexpected mishaps. Locating studs ensures your holes will safely support heavier objects, like shelves or mirrors. Ready for the drill? Mark your spot carefully using a pencil and level. This preparation sets the stage for a smooth drilling process and ensures accuracy. Once you start drilling, maintain a steady hand and firm pressure. Remember, it's all about patience and control, especially when penetrating tough materials like tile. Finally, as you withdraw the drill, keep it running to prevent breakage. Installing anchors or screws correctly ensures whatever you hang will be secure and stable.